Hey, how y'all doing today? This is the day that we're gonna do our laundry motivation video. I've got a few laundry loads to do today, and I figured I would chat with y'all a little. And some of y'all wanted to know which products I use. Esmeralda from My Humble Home said she wanted to hear me chat about anything. Shout out to her. And I had a couple of friends that wanted to know what products I use, so I'm going to talk to y'all about that before I get started, and then I'll just probably voice over some stuff throughout the video because my washer and dryer are very loud, so I don't want all that noise in there. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all get lots of laundry motivation today. Let's get started. Okay, so before we really get into it today, I'm just going to kind of show you around my laundry room a little. This is my washing machine. My dryer's right beside it. I keep my dusters hung up here. This is a basket that's got just a blanket and like a dog bed that goes in the dog crate that I've already washed. I'm going to be folding that while I talk to y'all about some of my products too. Y'all have seen me clean these cabinets before. This is just cleaning type stuff in these cabinets and in these. And I keep all of my little laundry stuff in this corner here. And that leads out into the garage. And behind me here, I have these racks that I keep hangers on. And that's where I hang my pants and shirts and anything that needs to be hung up. And everything that gets folded, I lay on top of the freezer or on top of the washer or the dryer. And then I go put them up when I'm finished. So that's how I do my laundry. Okay, so I really don't have to fold this dog bed. I need to lay it in the dog crate. Sorry, y'all. I've had a cold all weekend. I'm getting over it now, but my throat's still a little weird. So I'm just going to lay that up there for now because I'm fixing to put it in the dog crate. And then I got to fold this little blanket. It's just a Valentine's blanket that I use, sometimes spread it across my couch so the dogs don't get the couch dirty. But I'm fixing to probably clean up my couch a little better and find a better blanket that I want to keep on there for most of the summer. Hope y'all can hear me. I'm going to do my list of things I use for my laundry before I get started here. This is what I keep my little laundry pods in, just a little cute container. And normally, if I can get by Sam's, I buy a big box of Gain pods, and that lasts me like 3 or 4 months. But in between Sam's trips, if I run out, I just pick up this Walmart brand. And to me, it smells a lot like the Gain, almost perfect like the Gain. So that's what I'm going to be using this week because I've only got 2 Gain pods left in here. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this in here. And that'll get me through until I go back to Sam's. These things are only a few bucks. I want to say like $3 for 14 pods, and that's not bad at all. I discovered those a little while back when I was trying to save some money. I don't put these in every load. This is the Arm & Hammer Clean Sensation Scent Boosters in Maui Sunset. I usually pick a different scent or a different brand. I'm not real picky. If I go to Sam's, I'll get a gigantic thing of the Gain. I think they're Gain Fireworks. And those will last me maybe even a year. They last me a long time. But I haven't been to Sam's in a while, so I just picked up one of these at Walmart. And I use them if I'm washing some clothes that's been sitting for a few days or a week, or like for some of the dog stuff, like dog blankets, stuff that are extra stinky, I use those scent boosters with. And this is it's like Clorox 2 bleach, color safe bleach, but it's Purex 2. It's just a cheaper brand. To me, it works the same. You know, I'm all about the cheaper brands if I can get them. And I don't use this every time either, but if I think I need it, I'll put some in there. And then last is this Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. It says zero bleach, but I saw some people using this on YouTube during COVID, and I thought that's a good idea to use if you've had the flu or any type of a cold. Like, since I've been sick this past weekend, when I wash my bedclothes in a day or so, I'll probably use this on that just to get those extra germs out of there. But I haven't seen people using it the way the instructions say. Now, maybe they're just not showing the whole thing, but according to this, you're supposed to put it in your rinse cycle and let the clothes set in the rinse water for 16 minutes before you let it finish out the cycle. And that's how I do it. I'm sure other people do it that way, but I went ahead and read the directions, and that's what they say to do. So that's how I do it. And like I said, those are mostly just on clothes where we've been sick, or maybe the dogs threw up on their blanket or something like that is what I use those for. So now it's time to get started on this. I almost forgot. Have y'all noticed me being extra scatterbrained this year? Because I sure have. My dryer stuff. So mostly, I get a 2-pack of these at Sam's, just the Bounce fabric sheets, and I usually toss 1 or 2 in each dryer load. Now, I have used Snuggle, and I've also used the Walmart brand, and that's fine too. I just picked up a big double pack of these at Sam's, and there's 160 in each box, so those probably last me like a year. And then more recently, I finally got some of these dryer balls from Grove, and I've been trying to alternate, trying to use those one time and the fabric sheets the next, just to get some use out of them. I'm gonna need my glasses for this one. But when I use those dryer balls, I put a few drops of, there goes the scatterbrain part again, essential oils on it, just to make my laundry smell better. And I've got peppermint, I've got lavender, which to me would really go good on your bedclothes, because, you know, lavender is supposed to relax you, and you want to relax when you go to bed. So, but a lot of times lately, I've been really into the lemon scent. I don't know if it's because it's like a spring, summer type of scent to me or what, but that's what I've been using. So that's what I do for the dryer. And that's about it. Now we really are going to start on these clothes. Hope y'all enjoy it. Just wanted to let y'all know that I did notice that when I use the dryer balls, there's a little bit more static in my laundry than there is with the fabric sheets. Not a lot of static, but it is noticeable. So I thought I would just pop in for a minute and ask y'all, what are y'all's plans for the summer? We're heading into the summertime now. It's almost here. I think school just let out. For those of you that have kids in school, I don't have kids in school. My kids are 29 and about to be 25. So I have grandkids though, and I've already took my trip to Katie's. I just got back about a week and a half ago, so that was my big thing that I was going to do this year. And Candace is going to be having a baby boy, baby number 3, here in a few weeks. And then right around the corner from that is KJ's birthday on July the 6th. And then Candace will have a birthday on July 22nd. But other than all that, my plans for the summer are I really want to get a lot of cleaning done around my house. Cleaning and organizing. And I'd like to make several videos for y'all. I'd like to make at least 3 videos in my From Filth to Fresh series. And I'd like to make several videos in my See No Evil series and get some stuff really cleaned out and organized around here. And maybe have a few just everyday cleaning type of videos or day in my life videos. And I definitely want to do several recipes over the summer. Definitely some new stuff that I haven't tried before that I want to try. And I want to film it for y'all. Maybe y'all could try it too and let me know how you like it. Y'all leave me some comments and let me know what y'all are planning for this summer. I'd sure like to see what y'all are up to. Okay, y'all, that's gonna do it for the night. It's about 1 a.m. and as I'm sure you've been seeing, the dogs have been in here bugging me wanting to go outside, and that means they're ready to go to bed for the night. So I've got one last load in the dryer that I'll fold tomorrow, and I hope this video gave y'all lots of laundry motivation, especially for folding. And I will see you on my next video next week. Have a good day.